Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can factory reset your Apple Watch in order to sell it like I'm doing right now, or to give it away just so there's no data on there that you might not want to have. So in essence, all you need to do is firstly open up the Apple Watch by typing in the passcode you have, then tap the dial and bring up the menu. You can scroll across now and actually find out, as you can see, all the apps I've downloaded here, to find the settings cog. So this for me is in the top right hand corner. You're then going to tap that and scroll down to general right there. Once you're on general, select that and then find all the way at the bottom, it should say reset. So then you want to simply select reset, erase all content and settings, or reset the home screen layout. Now, this is where you essentially want to select erase all content and settings, type in the passcode. It's going to say all media data, etc., etc. Erase all of it. And then as it does this, everything will be erased and it will then be ready for factory, back to factory settings, ready to sell on or do what you like. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Thank you very much. All done.